Mastering Productivity, Collaboration, and AI Tools for Professional Success with the PCIRR certification. The Plutter Certified Industry Ready Resource PCIRR certification equips you with the essential tools and skills needed to excel in today's fast-paced corporate environment. By completing this certification, you will become proficient in key productivity, collaboration, and AI tools, making you highly valuable to employers across industries. These tools are integral to improving efficiency, enhancing communication, and fostering innovation, helping you transition seamlessly into the workforce. In this certification, you will master leading productivity tools such as Microsoft Office Suite and Google Workspace, which will enable you to create professional documents, manage data, and organize tasks effectively. You will also gain expertise in collaboration platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom, ensuring that you are well prepared for seamless communication and teamwork in both in-person and remote settings. Additionally, task management platforms like Jira, Trello, and Asana will provide you with the organizational skills needed for effective project coordination. Furthermore, you will learn to leverage AI tools such as ChatGPT, Notion AI, Grammarly, Jasper, and Midjourney to automate tasks, enhance your writing, and generate creative content. These tools will allow you to work more efficiently and produce high-quality results, giving you a competitive edge in the workplace. Upon completion of the PCIRR certification, you will have hands-on experience with these core tools, ensuring you are job-ready and prepared to thrive in modern professional roles. 1. Microsoft Office Suite, Productivity Software. The Microsoft Office Suite is an indispensable toolset widely used across industries to boost productivity. It includes Word for drafting documents, reports, and proposals. Excel for data management, analysis, and visualization, essential for managing spreadsheets and financial data. PowerPoint for creating impactful presentations. Outlook for email management, scheduling, and calendar management. Mastering these tools will enable you to create professional documents, analyze data, and communicate effectively, all of which are essential for success in almost any professional setting. 2. Google Workspace, Productivity Software. Google Workspace offers a cloud-based suite designed for collaboration and productivity. It includes Google Docs and Sheets. Allow real-time collaboration on documents and spreadsheets, enhancing teamwork, especially in remote settings. Google Slides. Enables easy creation and sharing of presentations. Google Drive. Provides cloud storage with seamless integration across Google Apps. Gmail. A powerful tool for managing professional communication and organizing tasks. These tools support teams in collaborating efficiently, whether working in office or remotely, ensuring high productivity. 3. Slack, Collaboration Tool. Slack is a team communication tool that streamlines collaboration. Key features include Channels. Organize communication by topics, projects, or teams. Direct messaging and file sharing. Facilitate one-on-one communication and resource sharing. App integrations. Sync with tools like Google Drive and Trello for seamless project management. Slack helps teams, especially those working remotely, communicate and manage tasks efficiently. 4. Microsoft Teams, Collaboration Tool. Microsoft Teams integrates chat, meetings, and document collaboration into one platform. Key features include Instant Messaging for quick, team-wide communication. Video Conferencing for meetings and brainstorming sessions. File Sharing seamlessly integrates with Microsoft Office apps for collaboration. Team Channels organize discussions around specific projects or topics. Teams is ideal for professionals who need a unified communication and collaboration platform. 5. Zoom, collaboration tool. Zoom is one of the most popular platforms for virtual meetings and webinars. It offers high-quality video conferencing for meetings of any size, screen sharing to present documents, slides, and applications, breakout rooms for focused discussions within smaller groups, meeting recording to capture key sessions for future reference. Zoom is essential for maintaining communication with remote teams, clients, and conducting webinars. 6. Jira, task management tool. Jira is a comprehensive project management tool, particularly used in agile environments. Features include task management. Create tasks, epics, and user stories to break down complex projects. Kanban and Scrum boards for visual project tracking. Sprint planning helps manage tasks within a set time frame. Reporting tools to monitor project health and productivity. Jira is invaluable for managing projects, especially in tech and software development. 7. Trello, task management tool. Trello offers an easy-to-use, visual way to manage projects. Features include boards and cards. Organize tasks by project and track progress. Lists. Divide tasks into stages like to do, in progress, and completed. Drag and drop. Easily move tasks through stages to track progress. Trello is ideal for smaller teams or individuals seeking an intuitive way to stay organized. 8. Asana, task management tool. Asana is a powerful project and task management tool for teams. Key features include task creation and assignment. Set deadlines and assign tasks to team members. Visual views. Choose from board, list, or calendar views for managing tasks. Integration. Sync with Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom for seamless collaboration. Asana is ideal for teams managing complex projects that require coordination and tracking. 9. Toggle, time tracking tool. Toggle helps professionals track time spent on tasks, providing insights into productivity. Features include real-time time tracking. Track time spent on specific tasks. Reports. Detailed breakdowns of time usage for optimization. App integration. Syncs with tools like Asana and Trello for comprehensive project tracking. Toggle is essential for tracking billable hours and improving personal and team productivity. 10. ChatGPT, AI productivity tool. ChatGPT is an AI-powered tool that assists with content creation and problem-solving. Key features include content generation, draft emails, reports, and brainstorm ideas. Automation. Streamline repetitive tasks and enhance efficiency. Intelligent responses. Receive real-time, relevant solutions and ideas. ChatGPT is an invaluable tool for boosting productivity and creativity in the workplace. 11. Notion AI, AI productivity tool. Notion AI enhances task and team organization through AI-powered features. Key benefits include task management. Organize tasks and maintain team workflows. Writing assistance. Improve content creation and brainstorming. Workflow integration. Streamline processes across tasks and databases. Notion AI is ideal for professionals seeking a flexible, AI-powered workspace. 12. Grammarly, AI writing assistance tool. Grammarly ensures high-quality writing by checking grammar, style, and tone. Key features include real-time suggestions. Improve grammar, punctuation, and style as you write. Clarity and professionalism. Ensure error-free and polished communication. Grammarly is crucial for producing professional emails, reports, and documents. 13. Jasper, AI content creation tool. Jasper is an AI-driven content creation tool that helps professionals generate high-quality written content. Key features include creative writing, generate blog posts, social media captions, and more. Content optimization, tailor writing to specific tones or styles. Jasper is especially beneficial for content creators and marketing teams looking to scale their efforts. 14. Midjourney, AI visual content tool. Midjourney generates creative visual content using AI. Features include AI art generation. Create stunning visuals, logos, and illustrations. Visual content creation. Ideal for digital marketing, presentations, and branding. Midjourney is perfect for professionals in design, marketing, and branding. 15. Google Calendar, time management tool. Google Calendar is a time management tool for scheduling meetings, tasks, and deadlines. Features include time blocking. Organize your day with specific blocks for different tasks. Event scheduling and reminders. Ensure meetings and tasks are on track. Google Calendar is essential for professionals looking to optimize their time and stay organized. 16. Eisenhower Matrix, task prioritization tool. The Eisenhower Matrix is a tool for prioritizing tasks based on urgency and importance. It helps you focus on what matters, prioritize important tasks, and avoid distractions. Achieve long-term goals. Categorize tasks into 4 quadrants for efficient decision-making. The Eisenhower Matrix helps prevent burnout by ensuring you focus on the most critical tasks. By mastering these tools, you will be equipped to thrive in modern corporate environments and enhance your professional effectiveness, ultimately setting yourself up for success in your career.